Hey, Tyler here. So today I want to help you with a word that I think it's the word I've seen the craziest pronunciations ever. Maybe because most things here are silent. And I get it. Why would you add all of these letters if you're not going to pronounce them? But anyway, let's do this. So the word is Worcestershire. And I think the easiest way to remember this is first, let's eliminate the sounds we don't need in this word. So we're going to eliminate the first R, then C, then E, then we're eliminating the second R. Now we have a more concise word to work with. Now let's identify the strongest syllable of this word. That's the one we're going to fully pronounce the vowel sound, and the other vowels will become a schwa sound. You know, that sound we hear all the time. So here, the strongest syllable is the first one. So we already know that the other vowels here will become a schwa sound. So we want to begin by rounding our lips for the W sound. Then we're going to go to the sound, which is the same vowel sound in good, good. So move your lower lips a little bit more, good. Upper lips are more relaxed, good. Then the rest is easy, t. And then with just like T, sound, t. And then what you do is you're going to take that SH sound, sh, and go straight at the R sound, just kind of like skipping the vowel, sure. And that's it, Worcestershire. So remember, don't get intimidated by how big this word is. Most letters here are silent. Now you try. If this video was helpful, don't forget to share with one person so you can help them. And let me know in the comments, what word would you like me to bring here and explain to you? Well, thank you so much, and I'll see you next video.